Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to fix app not installed error on your phone. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the files here and see if you're out of storage. As you can see, I am out of storage, so maybe this is the reason why it's not installing. So what you need to do is head over to cleanup, and this will scan your phone for anything that you can delete. Is it scanning right now? And click on clean. So the next thing that you can do is head over to your settings, search for app management, and then as you can see here the list of apps that you have on your phone. And then search for Google Play services, you can see it here, and go to storage usage and clear cache. Next, you need to go to Google Play Store, storage again, and then clear cache. After you clear the cache of Google, click the three dots here and click show system. You can see here all the apps that in your system. So we need to search for the courier services. We can see it here. Click that and then click on storage and clear cache. And then scroll all the way down again to search for the package installer. You can see it here, and then click on storage and clear cache. Now that you've done these methods, you can now go install your app. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow for more.